Hello, ESL 0201 students. This is Professor Holly, and today we're going to talk about writing good topic sentences. So what is a topic sentence? First, a topic sentence is the key to a good paragraph. As a writer, you need to write a sentence that's going to help your reader understand what it is you're going to say. It guides the paragraph. It reveals what the writer is going to tell the reader about the topic. Thus, when you read a topic sentence, you know what the paragraph is going to be about. A topic sentence is often the first sentence of a paragraph, but not always. And a topic sentence has two parts: the topic itself, and then a controlling idea, or the particular focus that the author has. So what is the difference between a topic and a controlling idea? Well, on the left in this sentence, living in a large city has several disadvantages. The topic is living in a large city. In other words, it's just what it is about. The controlling idea is the author's opinion or some further information that the author is giving us. So they're saying in this case, it has several disadvantages. So again, a sentence can start out with a topic and go any number of directions. The controlling idea is letting us know which direction the author is going with. So let's look at some examples. So pause this presentation here. Look at these four sentences and determine what is the topic and the controlling idea for each of them. Once you've had a chance to read through them, restart the presentation and check your answers. All right, what have we got? So in the first sentence, the current unrest in the Democratic Republic of Congo has several causes. So our topic is this: the current unrest in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The several causes is our controlling idea. So again, we're writing a paragraph about the current unrest. The controlling idea is examining the causes in this case. Now what about our second sentence? There are similarities between living in the US and living in Europe. Now here our topic is the second part of the sentence: living in the US and living in Europe. The controlling idea is that there are similarities. All right, exotic animals do not make good pets. Here the topic is at the beginning again, and the controlling idea, do not make good pets, is second. So again, the topic, what the paragraph is about, is exotic animals. What the author is saying, their opinion about the topic, is that they don't make good pets. And then finally, there are three things every student needs to do to be successful in a college course. The topic is being successful in a college course. The controlling idea is the three things every student needs to do. All right, so hopefully these four sentences in the examples are helping you get a better idea of what a topic sentence is comprised of. So take a look at these three sentences. You'll notice they each have the same topic. Number one, there are several differences between buying a house and buying an apartment. Number two, there are several steps to buying a house. Number three, buying a house has several effects on a person's life. So what do these three have in common? Buying a house. So as you can see, the topic is buying a house, but then each has a different controlling idea. Again, what the author is doing to tell us what direction they're taking with this paragraph. So what is the controlling idea for each? Well, number one, it's the differences, that there are differences between buying a house and buying an apartment. This is going to be a comparison and contrast paragraph. Number two, there are several steps to buying a house. It's the steps that's the controlling idea. And this will be a process paragraph. Then number three, buying a house has several effects on a person's life. Here, the controlling idea will be the effects, and this will be a cause and effect paragraph. So writing a good topic sentence is not easy. A good topic sentence is going to be interesting and not state an obvious fact. So if we say cats are pets, there's not much else to say about this. People already know this about cats. You don't want it to be too broad or too vague. I always say, think about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. If you know that story, Goldilocks is looking for things that are not too hard, not too soft, but just right. We're looking for something that is not too broad, not too vague. All right, if we say cats are great, well, that's so general the reader has no idea what to expect. And if we say cats live on average for 16 years, that's way too narrow. What else can we say about this? All right, now read through these 4 sentences. Which is the best topic sentence? We have electric cars are good. Electric cars use electricity. A standard range Model 3 Tesla electric car can drive 250 miles on one charge. And electric cars have several advantages and disadvantages over gasoline cars. All right, our first one is just way too broad. We don't know what the paragraph's going to be about. The second one is a fact. There's nothing else to say about this. Number 3 is way too narrow. What can you do with this detail? Not much else. Electric cars have several advantages and disadvantages. That's the best topic sentence. It has a clear topic and a clear controlling idea. We know it's going to be listing advantages and disadvantages. So in conclusion, what did we learn? Topic sentences are often the first sentence of the paragraph, but not always. Topic sentences are comprised of a topic and a controlling idea. The topic tells you the subject of the paragraph. The controlling idea tells you what about the subject will be discussed in the paragraph. And finally, a good topic sentence is interesting, it can be discussed, and it's not too narrow and it's not too broad. It is just right. All right, this brings us to the end of this presentation on topic sentences. You can now close this document and return to the learning module.